So, yeah, now. It's morning and we are in the bush and we are camping. We're here since the day before. And yeah, about to start breakfast. I now get up. It's been a while. The thing is, this vlog was supposed to come out quite in 2024, and in actuality, it was filmed in April of 2024. But some things came up, and I wasn't able to produce any vlogs for a while. Well, I finally get time, and I got around to putting out this vlog, so I hope you all enjoy. So, we came out here yesterday. We set up camp and thing. We eat a little bit. We was very tired, so we didn't do much exploration last night. But we saw some critters. So, we wanna dig this pit to cook in. Yeah. About to cook up a little breakfast, and then we're gonna relax and see to do a little bit of exploration. Our old scaffold? Oh yeah, I see. Last season. I hear. Yeah, there's the top. So I took this shortcut straight through the bush to get back in camp, while the others went all the way around the hill to reach in camp. But as soon as I reached, I looked down on the ground and found this fella. This is a bearbill chamin, or Dr. Snake, or Beauty of the Road. They more call it Beauty of the Road in Tobago, but this is a harmless snake towards humans. It comes out in the day, mainly active during the day, and after a little, well, more in the morning and in the evening. It loves to feed on frogs, lizards, insects, and occasionally will eat other snakes, smaller snakes. Now this snake don't really get that large. It's a very small snake, and if you want to know more, I have a short vlog, a bounce up episode I did on it. You can check it out right here. But after I got some pictures, I let it go its merry way. Now this gelatinous thing of larvae, we don't really know what it is, but it was by a waterfall where we went to take a bath. If you know what it is, you can comment it down below, but it looked kind of weird. Something. Coffee snake fat on something. Oh, he just eat like he wiping him out. And it's slime like a slug or something he eat. Now this is one of the most common snakes we come across. This is the coffee snake or red nape snake or colored snake. I have a bunch of other names which I'll put here. Right? And it is a non-venomous snake, mainly active at night and feeds on soft-bodied animals like worms, slugs, etc. That night, a lot of spiders came out, a lot of beetles, harvestmans, caterpillars, etc. came out. It was a vibrant night. But we didn't only see insects, we saw, as you see, snakes and different creatures. Even evidence that there was creatures doing a lot of feeding and hunting. Like, yes, this harvestman was eating a centipede, and we also saw evidence of something that eat a parrot. Only parrot feathers on the ground. One picture?
No.
Move.
Zombie kita?
Nope. In this small body of water, it was vibrant with life. We saw a lot of wabbies, silver catfish, mamateta, jumbiteta, and maki. We also saw zanjis and other different species of fish. And this maki, well, we're trying to get a few pictures of it before we let it go. But this is a very colorful individual and very large. It was almost 2 feet, but not quite there. It was short by a couple inches, a few inches. But after we got some pictures and let it go, we then saw this zanji, a small one. Now they could get pretty large, over 2 feet. I even saw some records saying that they get around 4 feet in length, but I've only seen them around a little over 3 feet. Yeah, this was a juvenile.
He
No come there. Much
Why he not sleeping?
So this moves sometime any night. For those that is accustomed to watching my vlogs, you all should know that this is a long-tailed machete. Fairly common to the vlog, but they are active mainly during the day. Love to feed on frogs, birds, and lizards, but sometimes they move along the branch slowly at night. We have observed this from time to time. But after we saw this, a long time after, we came across yet another snake that is common to the vlog, to the channel. A Trinidad ribbon coral snake, or larger coral as some people call it. But yes, this is one of Trinidad highly venomous snakes and one of only 2 elapids found in Trinidad. They are active during the night and right after rainfall. Sometimes during rainfall, but right after rainfall. We commonly come across them from time to time. There's a good bit of vlogs where we come across them. But Interestingly enough, as long as you keep your distance, you're safe because they lack the ability to strike. But right after that, we came across this one, a mimic. Well, I wouldn't call it a mimic, it's just some people mistake it for the ribbon coral snake, but this is a forest flame or false coral. It was awesome to find 3 snakes in a row, but we were not far from camp. We found this snake coming, we found all the snakes coming back to camp, so we quickly took it up and walked right into camp where we filmed it a bit longer and got some photos before letting it go. But this is a very colorful snake and mainly harmless. It is mildly venomous, but the venom don't really affect human beings. It more affects its food source, which is lizards, sometimes frogs, and also other snakes. They have a bit more color to them when they are young, but as they get older, the white fades and the red becomes less prominent. But this one is a juvenile. The white already fade and have more orange, so after we got some pictures, we let it go its way. One of the interesting questions people ask is, how come I just grab snakes? Because there are certain species of snakes like this one that generally don't bite. I wouldn't recommend you do this. Now this here is a very interesting spider. This is a very small tarantula found in Trinidad. And well, it's not properly documented in Trinidad. Well, it have a few documentations, and it is or was called the lost species of Trinidad. Some people say it rare, some people say it hard to find, but I generally find this tarantula easy to find on the forest floor. Almost every camp we went to, we saw them, but never really filmed them that much because they even though they're interesting, not like the other tarantulas like the olive and the valentine and pink toe, but they have their uniqueness. We got some pictures and then we let it go. We saw this little manikou coming to eat some of our leftover food we left in the pot on the table. So we got him, put him on a branch so he let him calm himself down, and got some photos and videos, and then we release him. And right after that, I realized, and we all realized, we got robbed. Someone, a poacher most likely, came in our camp and took some of our items, like one of my bush pants, my bush jacket, the known jacket that I have. Yeah, we noticed that while we was getting this footage of releasing the manikou. I was like, wait, where my jacket? Where my pants? And even Bush Monster, he stole some of his batteries and stole my headlight. So yeah, we got robbed in this part of the bush. Yeah. I did make a short video addressing it, but yeah, we got robbed. We realized that my jacket was missing, one of my pants was missing, the bush camo and bush monster, one of my headlights was missing, thank god I packed extra, and some of bush monster batteries was missing. So yeah, we couldn't sleep the night. We got up next morning, pack up. I really wish I didn't end this video on a sour note, but yeah, that's how things just go. So as you all know, I am the wildlife master, and I know it took a while before this vlog came out, but blessings and bless out.